Performance requires action. And even before you take action, you have to make a choice. Let's read together the performance code. Performance requires action. And even before you take action, you have to make a choice. A choice to change, to improve, to elevate, and to dedicate. Dedication to progression, because progress requires performance and performance requires change. So in order to make external changes, you must make internal changes first. Improving your performance commands change within your habits, choices, and actions to accomplish and align with the overall result you wish to attain. Page 90 of the Performance Code by yours truly. Definitely check it out. I wanted to share that quickly because choices matter, right? A lot of people forget how impactful and how influential our choices are, right? So I really wanted to talk about that because you need to understand that every single day we make choices, right? Your choices impact your life. They shape your life. The choices you make every single day. So I'm big on choices. I'm big on being mindful about your choices, being mindful about your decisions, because again, this is what shapes your life, the choices you make every single day. So if you're making negative choices, if you're making unhealthy choices, etc., you cannot be surprised that your outcomes in life, that the life that you're creating is a little bit more on the negative or unhealthy side, right? And then vice versa. If you're positive, then of course you're gonna not be surprised that most of your life, you're having a lot of positive experiences and whatnot, right? So just understanding that your choices matter. So if you're feeling like, oh my gosh, I feel like I've been wanting for a change, I've been hoping for a change, I'm waiting for a change, all these different kinds of things, but you need to take a step back and be like, okay, if things aren't changing, why aren't they changing? Are you making the right choices? Right? Because just like it said on page 90, right? In my own words, just like it said on page 90, right? Performance requires action. And even before you take action, you have to make a choice. You want to lose weight, you have to make a choice, right? You want to build a business, you have to make a choice. You want to become an artist, you have to make a choice, right? You want to become a lawyer, you have to make a choice. You want to heal from that traumatic situation you went through last year, you have to make a choice, right? You want to grow up to be different than your parents, and you have to make a choice. Everything comes down to our choices. This is so important to me, and this is why I wrote this in this book, because in order, you have to make a choice, right? In order if you want to improve your life and make the changes that you want to make, right? Dedication to progression, because progress requires performance, okay? Progression requires performance. You need to perform in order to produce, okay? In order to progress, you need to perform. But how do you perform? You perform based on the actions and the choices you make, right? This is why the mindset is so freaking important to me, because your mindset is the driving force behind your decisions. And so if your mindset isn't the mindset that you want, isn't in alignment with who you see yourself to be a year, 5 years, 10, 50 years from now, then you need to start changing your mindset. But it starts with making a choice. You have to first make that choice that you want to change. You have to first make that choice that you're going to change. You have to first make that choice that you're going to stay dedicated to change. Self-dedication is so important when you want to win in life. And winning in any capacity. If you want to win in entrepreneurship, if you want to win in relationships, if you want to win just personally, right? Spiritually, it all comes down to self-dedication. If you're struggling to make the change in your life, this is a reminder to check your choices and really be honest with yourself and ask yourself, what choices am I making every single day? And are they helping me or are they hurting me? Are they sabotaging me or are they supporting me? Okay? Please make positive choices today. Make choices that are going to help you. Make choices that are helping you push you forward. Make choices that are helping you progress. Make choices that are going to get you to the next level of your life. Because it's time to level up. But you cannot level up if you are leveling down by making the choices that you are. Okay? All right, guys. I love you guys. If you guys like this video, you guys may know, like, comment, share, subscribe, and share it with, you know, a family, a friend, or a stranger. Because why not? You know, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Get my book, The Performance Code. Woo! I love this book. It's almost sold out on Amazon. Actually, I don't know. By the time I post this video, it may be sold out on Amazon. But definitely get your copy. If you want a signed copy, get it on my website. I'll link all the descriptions in the description box. But you guys already know. The Performance Code. Perform, produce, and progress. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.